Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum and greetings. It's hot, man. It's hot. It's midday. It's hot. But I want to test the Jumper T18 Pro right here in my hands. So I have brought an FPV VOOP called Hey Tina. And where is it? Hey Tina, where are you? It's right here. She's riding my bobber with me. I have brought Hey Tina, and also I brought the AliShanMao P51 Mustang, which is basically Volantex RC. Binding Volantex RC planes or AliShan mini planes was super easy. With the V971 protocol on this radio, they bound just fine. They bind just fine with this radio. Only worry is how good is the range. We're gonna find out very soon. And for Hey Tina, it's running D16 FrSky, which was again really easy to bind with this T18 Pro radio, with this Jumper T18 Pro radio. And it's time to test the range and performance. I love the feeling of Hall 2 sensor gimbals on T18 Pro, and I've been flying my FPV VOOP at home just to test it, and man, it feels really nice. Enhanced controls are really nice, smooth, and very precise. So let's fly Hey Tina and have some fun in this area. I have also installed HD camera, which I charged. It's a Firefly 2 mini camera. I hope it will shoot good quality. I mean, at least better than the standard definition, right? So let's do it. So I'm really happy the way Jumper T18 Pro is performing. I had no issues so far. I had fun flying the Hey Tina FPV VOOP, and I actually didn't feel any difference. I thought I was still using my FrSky Taranis X90 Plus SE 2019 Access version, which has Hall sensor gimbals. This feels even better because the way it fits in my hand, I'm simply loving it. Now, the only issue I had with JP5-in-1 so far in this area is that I got the message of RX lost for a fraction of a second right in front of me, like about 30 meters, and behind me when I was in the trees, I had the RX lost message popping up on the screen, but I did not lose control. It was like just man, it was just fraction of a second. I didn't even feel it. When the RX lost message popped, it was right after when the quad did just like that. And I had the controls back. So this is the only issue I had so far with the Jumper T18, that I got a message of RX lost popped up at least 3 times when I went slightly farther. Now, honestly speaking, I have flown this, hey Tina, with FrSky X9D Plus SE 2019 version, the radio control, and I went pretty far, never had any RX lost issue. Even when I was flying very low behind me among the bushes and among the trees, I never had the RX lost issue. I had this issue with the Jumper T18 Pro, but I didn't lose control. I didn't crash the quad. Immediately the controls were back. I didn't even feel that I actually lost the control. It's just that when the RX loss popped up, I knew that, okay, something has happening. So anyway, that's not a big deal. It's still, I'm having fun with T18 Pro. Now, the next is to test a non-FPV thing with the little Eachine P51D. I lost one of the landing gear because I carried the plane on my bag riding my bobber. I lost the landing gear, but hey, I can hand launch and land it. So let's fly the mini P51D Mustang with the Jumper T18 Pro radio.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.